Hey guys, here's my recipe for chicken taquitos made in the air fryer. Everything I use will be listed in the description box. These taquitos are so quick and easy to make. Add your rolled taquitos to the air fryer and spray them with some oil. I place this rack on top just to keep them from moving. Air fry them at 400 for 8 to 10 minutes. They turn out so good. So crispy. These are perfect with my avocado salsa. A link to the recipe is in the description. Along with the salsa, I added cotija cheese, some shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and sour cream. These are so delicious. I really hope you give these a try. Thanks for watching.